This is boring Bob. He sits in his office, typing the same old buttons, drinking the same old coffee. If Bob ruled the planet, it would be called Planet Boring. But oh, what's this?
We're the spirits of Midsummer. You seem to have lost the way. We're here to remind you what it's like to play.
Come on, Bob. You know you want to.
Do it! Do it! Do it!
Boring lah macam ni. Bob walks home to another fun-filled evening of news, bills, and other boring things adults do. But Bob didn't know that the creatures were following him, and they were determined to turn his frown upside down. Hey Bob, look up! Just a little bit more. Bob saw flowers and creatures and all sorts of magical things. That stirred a funny old feeling inside him. But then Bob remembered something important. And so, Bob spends the whole day discovering the magic of play again. Boring, Bob? Not so boring anymore. I knew you could rediscover your inner kid again. Me! It's time to celebrate the spirit of play. Let's play Summer Summer this Midsummer.